Okay, YouTube. Some progress going along on my editing office. I just got a real cool chair to use as my chair. It's kind of a mess now, but we just unpacked the chair. So, tomorrow my dad will assemble it and I'll take a video, an after video. So, just want to show you. We're working on it. Quick update on the office. We put the seat together and the base. All I have to do is attach the seat to the base, which I'll do in a few minutes. Okay, I just finished putting the two pieces of the chair together, and it looks really great. And it would match my PC because it's a gaming chair. And it's got lumbar support, which is always important. And let's see. Yeah, it looks good. For a minute it looked a little crooked, but it looks fine. The back reclines, of course. So the next step for this office would be to set up my PC, which I'll do next time I get off. So, I think that'll be all. Oh, and my cat, Gabriel, is visiting with me. Oh, kitty. Oh. Aw, so I'm going to close out with a shot of him. Aw. Say hi to the world, kitty. Aw. He's like I could care less.